Hey everyone, my name is Raindrops. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning drop, welcome back, girl. Today's video is get ready with me, hair, makeup, outfit of the day. And I'm going to be doing another synthetic lace front wig. I introduced the wig last video, but I didn't put it on. I just took it out of the net. It's the model lace front wig. This is she. I took her off the mannequin head, so therefore I got 10% off of the price. It was $39.99, so 10% off. And then this is 5-inch lace part wig. This is the color BO4. Let me make sure. No, it's the color BO1B627. The style name is Eliza. And it is safe to curl up to 400 degrees. It's also a side part, which I like. So we are going to apply her today. I'm not going to talk through the video. I'm just going to go ahead and get ready and let you guys watch. But if you are new here, please take the time out. Hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Leave me a comment so we can get to know each other. Definitely like the video. It helps my video get into the algorithm so a lot more people can see and join the family and become a drop. Also share this video because sharing is caring, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. Okay guys, really quick, what I just noticed. I'm not sure if this had lace on it initially. As you can see, there is no lace. It looks as if it may have been cut off already, being that this is the wig from off the mannequin head, that they may have cut it off already to, you know, style it on the mannequin head. So this is my first time having to do this. So what I'm going to do, first off, I got out of the shower and I realized I don't have my rings. So let me go put my rings back on. But what I'm going to do is try one of my favorite YouTubers who does wig reviews, Kyra Sean. I'm going to do one of her, you know, tricks and tips that I've seen her do, which is to cut the parting right here a little bit and leave out my baby hairs and edges and see how that works. But this is how the wig looks. I like the curls. I like that they are already messed with and they're soft and it's bushy. So what I'm going to do as well is get the straightening comb and start to, you know, flatten it. Go ahead and take my Edge Booster, Style Factor Edge Booster wax stick so I can lay that down a little bit. Just right at the parting, because I don't really want to disturb, you know, any of this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and straighten that and then come back to you guys, and then we can see how we're gonna work this out.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take